Alright, so we're going for a 3-2-1 method on pork ribs using mustard as a binder. So I'm still in the middle of seasoning these, but the season we're going with today is rib rack barbecue rub. I already did the other side. I peeled the membrane off, so now it's just finishing seasoning and throwing them on the smoker. So I'll show you that next step. Alright, so we've been smoking for a good, I want to say, hour or so. I have it on the timer. I got this probe. I got 2 probes in here. They're not in the meat, just in different areas of the grill to get an idea where I am temperature wise. The 300 is the probe is hanging much lower. The 235 is a little higher. The meat's in there. I'll show you how it's laid out. So I'm gonna give it a little spritz to get it a little more wet, a little moist. And this is a 3-2-1 method. So the goal is after 3 hours like that, I'll pull them out, I'll wrap them, I'll put some like butter, some brown sugar, and I'll show the process, and let it cook wrapped in aluminum foil for another 2 hours. And then the last hour I'll pull it again and do just barbecue sauce, which I bought Sweet Baby Ray's, keeping it simple, and that's it. I'm also using cherry wood for this one, and this is a Masterbuilt Pro Series Smoker. Alright, so just giving a little spritz of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. So they don't dry out too much, which they're pretty juicy, they're not going to dry out. So I'm taking them out now. I'm going to baste them with some butter, apple juice, and brown sugar. Wrap them and place them back in for 2 more hours. Alright, so I shortened up the time a little bit, and at about 1 hour and 40, I pulled out the ribs that were wrapped in foil, and then I put some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on them, and I threw them back in here for another 45 minutes to 1 hour with smoke. So here they are, glazed up. I got a good 40 minutes left. So now we just wait another 40 minutes and see what we get. So here's the 3-2-1 method. If you look at this, nice and charred. You can see these bones right here are just falling off. You know, some are going to be a little tighter. There's more meat on that one, but definitely tender. Good way to do it. Nice barbecue sauce, nice color, nice smoke. So when we cut it open, we'll show you the reveal.